So now let us see what we are going to discuss in this chapter and what is in your syllabus. We will discuss absorption by roots and certain processes such as imbibition, diffusion and osmosis, and with this we will also discuss osmotic pressure, root pressure and these terms, that is turgidity and flaccidity, plasmolysis and deplasmolysis, absorption of water and minerals, and active and passive transport. This transport can be active transport also and passive transport also. What is it and what is the difference between the two? Where does it take place? We will discuss all this. And the importance of root hair, right? And now let us see what is the scope of the syllabus. We will discuss characteristics of roots which make them suitable for absorbing water and the structure of single full grown root hair, right? That structure is very important. Then the rise of water up to the xylem, a general idea of the cohesive, adhesive forces and transpiration pull. And when we talk about the absorption by roots, this factor, that is transpiration, is very important to study, very important to discuss. And we will also demonstrate this by the use of dyes. And we will also discuss certain experiments to show the conduction of water through the xylem and the causative forces, right. So, this is what is in your syllabus that we will be discussing in this chapter. I hope you will clearly understand how does the absorption by roots actually take place and the processes, that is imbibition, diffusion, osmosis. These are the basic processes by which absorption takes place. And then we have two types of transport, that is active and passive transport. So overall in this chapter you will basically understand these processes by which absorption takes place, and when you will actually discuss the structure of single full grown root hair, you will come to know about the importance of root hairs. So let us begin with absorption by roots.